The liver is our body's powerhouse. It ensures filtering toxins, processing nutrients, and keeping things running smoothly. But like any high-performing machine, our liver needs the right fuel to function at its best. Hey everyone, and welcome back to Health Sabs. Today, we're exploring an essential organ, the liver. So, if you're looking to give your liver some love, you've come to the right place. We'll be exploring some delicious and nutritious foods that can truly supercharge your liver health. Top eats for a happy liver. Before we jump into food, let's take a quick look at this amazing organ. The liver is like a multitasking champion. It breaks down fats and sugars for energy, stores vitamins and minerals, and even helps fight off infections. Pretty impressive, right? But unfortunately, our modern lifestyle can put a strain on this vital organ. Processed foods, excessive sugar, and toxins can all take a toll. That's why prioritizing liver health is crucial for overall well-being. The good news is, we can support our liver through the power of food. Fiber foods. Fiber helps flush out toxins and keeps your digestive system running smoothly. Think whole grains, fruits, especially berries, and vegetables like broccoli and Brussels sprouts. Fatty fish. Fatty fish like salmon, tuna, and sardines are packed with omega-3 fatty acids. These superstars have anti-inflammatory properties and can protect your liver from damage. Olive oil. Ditch unhealthy fats and switch to olive oil. It's rich in antioxidants and promotes healthy liver function. Drizzle it on salads, use it for cooking, or even enjoy a splash on some crusty bread. Coffee and tea. Coffee and green tea lovers rejoice. Studies suggest moderate coffee and green tea consumption can be beneficial for liver health. A bonus tip. Consider incorporating cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, and kale into your diet. They contain compounds that can help your liver detoxify harmful substances. It's important to note that while these foods are fantastic for liver health, a balanced and overall healthy diet is key. For even more personalized advice, consult a registered dietitian or healthcare professional. They can tailor a plan that fits your specific needs. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below about your favorite liver-friendly foods. Don't forget to subscribe for more healthy lifestyle tips. Until next time, take care.